Cái đó phải không?
Đó.
Ok. Press cái này xuống. Đó. Nước nó chảy ra. Đẩy cái này vô lại. Đó. Tại vì mấy cái này
Cứng quá gãy vợ. Đất ở bên Bà Má á, đất thịt không à. Bởi vì
cái nước không? The deer are eyeballing my buffet already, and they're gonna tell their buddies that I plant new things for them to eat. This is we have a lot of visitors around our back and front yard all the time, and they usually just eat every single thing that we plant, and especially there's a few things they don't like. Sometimes they even pull it out of the yard and left them upside down and let it dry and died. And so it's very difficult. I'm constantly fighting with them. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.